Alright, so I'm recording this to show you that the problem is preset there as well in video. I will blow into the down microphone first and the upper microphone so you can see which one is working and which one is not. I'm not covering the microphones, any of them. I will start with the music first. Second try for the music. And the sinus wave, let's hear that one. And the sinus wave again. And if I'm talking now, my voice is also heavily distorted, but now it's crystal clear. So we need an option to disable noise control, because with noise control you cannot record anything but human voice.